Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize TikTok Shop US Seller Center access easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize TikTok Shop US Seller Center access, begin by logging into your TikTok account. Navigate to the TikTok Shop Seller Center. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, locate the settings option on the dashboard. Click on User Management from the drop-down menu. Here, you will see the option to add new users. Select that Add User button to proceed. Enter the email address of the user you wish to authorize. Choose the role you would like to assign to this user. Roles can include administrator, editor, or any other relevant option. After selecting the role, click on the Send Invitation button. The invited user will receive an email to accept the invitation. Instruct them to check their email and click on the acceptance link. Once the invitation is accepted, they will automatically gain access to the Seller Center. You may return to the User Management section to view all users with access. If necessary, you can edit or revoke access from this section. By following these steps, you will successfully authorize access for the TikTok Shop US Seller Center. That concludes the authorization process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.